Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It has been a little bit since I've done a video, but we are going to jump right into this video with kind of like a get it all done upstairs. Mainly the master bedroom. We are starting with deep cleaning my carpets because they are disgusting. The dogs are in here all the time. Their beds are in here, so they sleep in here. And the floors are obviously like a light colored tan color, like the carpets. And they get so dirty, especially on this side of the bed over here where Nova lays. She's our long-haired dog. She's like a husky pit bull brindle mix, and so she lays on this side of the bed every single night. Even though we have this giant dog bed for her, she just prefers to lay on Jamin's side of the bed. And not only is there always a ton of dog hair over here, but it just gets so dirty because her hair is so long. So I decided to deep clean the carpets because they were in dire need of it. And you'll see just how disgusting they were at the end when I dump it out. Not to mention all of the hair that you accumulate. Like, I vacuumed over it before I carpet cleaned it, and so I picked up as much hair as my vacuum could pick up. And then this was all the hair that the carpet cleaner picked up on top of me vacuuming right before this, which is just disgusting. I also have, as you can see in this little clip, there's like a stain right there from one of the dogs. I think one of the dogs threw up not that long ago, and so I have to go over that spot several times to get it out, but luckily I was able to get it out, so that's nice. Our carpet looks nice and clean, and it's nice and soft when I'm done, but we haven't done a video in a while, so I thought that I would just jump right into it. I've got a lot of stuff that needs to get done. I'm super pregnant in this video, as you'll be able to clearly see. So we are going to deep clean the carpets, and then we are going to do some laundry, put some laundry away. I'm going to vacuum the little landing area because it hasn't been vacuumed in a little while. And then I'm going to clean our master bathroom because our master bathroom is also a hot mess. The master just kind of gets neglected because everywhere else in the house seems to need more attention. The kids' rooms downstairs where we live, like the majority of our lives downstairs on the main floor. So we are just going to do all of that in this video. So we'll just get it all done upstairs, and then we'll end the video with a get ready with me. I've got some errands and stuff that I need to run after the kids wake up from their naps. So we are going to get ready for the day at the end of this video. So we are on to, now that the carpets are cleaned, as you can see in the clip right before this, the dirty water that I just dumped into the toilet was disgusting. It was so brown. It was so gross. And I don't neglect these carpets. They just, obviously we don't carpet clean every day or every week or once a month even, but it's just disgusting. Dogs are just gross, you guys. We love them most of the time, but they're just gross. So this video is obviously, as you can tell by my outfit changes, a compilation of multiple days. So that was day one where I cleaned the carpet. This is another day where I'm going to change the bedding on our master bedroom bed because it hasn't been changed in quite some time. So we are going to take all of the sheets and the comforters and the duvet cover off, and we are going to put new everything on so that it's nice and fresh. As you can see, I'm also showing you a cracker that I found underneath my bed. Gotta love kids, guys. So while you guys are watching, for those of you that are new here, We do have a few new subscribers. So for those of you that are new here or haven't watched my channel in a while, my name is Ashley. I am currently 38 years old now, which is just crazy to say. As you can see, I am very pregnant. We have 3 kids currently, and I'm pregnant with our 4th. The baby is due at the end of September, which we are so excited about, but also so nervous. Like, I don't feel ever ready for any of the babies that we've had ever. So like, I feel completely unready, even though we've got everything that we need. Like, I don't need to go purchase a whole bunch of new stuff because we've got a ton of baby stuff from the previous babies, but you just never really feel ready. You know, you never feel ready to bring that baby home. But the baby is due at the end of September. We are so excited. We don't know what we're having. It's a surprise. We currently have 2 boys and a girl. So we just decided that this one would be a surprise since we aren't like hoping for a specific gender, kind of like we were with the boys. We really needed to find out with the boys, or we really wanted to find out with the boys because we were obviously hoping we were having boys. But with this one, we just didn't really care. So we thought it would be fun to save the surprise for everybody when the baby gets here. But the baby's due, like I said, at the end of September. So we are like 8.5 months pregnant, trying to get all of it done before baby comes. So now we are going to do a couple loads of laundry. One of the loads has been sitting here for a couple days. You know, that's just kind of how it is. I loathe laundry. It's my least favorite thing to do. It used to be dishes, but now I don't mind dishes as much for whatever reason. But I really, really dislike laundry, probably because there's so much laundry to do with the amount of people that we have in our house. But kids go through laundry like crazy. And of course, all the kids' clothes are like tiny little things that take up a ton of space in your washer and dryer because you're doing such large loads because their clothes are so small. So it's literally never ending. So we are going to bust out this laundry really quick that's been sitting here so I can get it off the floor, put it away. The majority of it is the boys' clothes, the little boys' clothes. And then we are going to vacuum the loft area up here.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're my baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak, yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat, yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're my baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. All of your love.
This little vacuum that I use up here doesn't hold a lot, but as you can see, just by vacuuming the loft area, this is the amount of stuff I pulled out of this carpet, which is just, every time I do it is insane. Now we are going to vacuum the bathroom, the master bathroom, and then we are going to clean the countertops, the sink, the mirror, etc., because it is gross.
Living in my dreams, 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 living in my dreams. I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen it like this, didn't think it existed.
So this is the same day, but I have an outfit change because I was getting too hot and sweaty in that long sleeve shirt. So I went and put the boys down for a nap, and then I came and changed my outfit, and we are going to finish cleaning the bathroom.
Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. 'Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams. Living in my dreams. She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and that you could believe all the little lies to tell yourself at night. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Waking up late, being up late, she is unruly. She is unruly. Never seen it like this, didn't think it existed, no truly.
So I saw somebody in a video use a squeegee to clean their bathroom mirror. So I thought that I would try it because I thought it would be easier. It's obviously very difficult for me to lean over this counter with it being so high to clean the mirror. So I decided to try this little squeegee method. Honestly, I probably won't try it again. The window did get clean, but it took several times of like passing over the same spot over and over again to get the squeegee marks and stuff away and to like clean it very well. So it worked, but it took a lot longer, I feel like, than it would have if I just sprayed it and used a paper towel. So at least it's clean. Some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight. Didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Now that the bathroom is nice and clean, the countertops are sparkling and doesn't have a whole bunch of crap and dust and disgusting stuff all over it, we are going to get ready for the day. First, I did my face products, like just my lotion and my eye cream and stuff, and now we are going to put a little bit of makeup on and then curl my hair really quick.
Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. You will find a way. Slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride. 'Cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You will make it in time. You'll make it in time.
I'm sure I'm not the only one that has to get close enough to the mirror to do my mascara, but I can't lean over my countertop anymore to get close enough to my mirror because of this giant belly. So I'm just doing my mascara in my little jewelry organizer box thingy here so that I can see it a little bit closer.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be. But they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn. But they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby, I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Ooh, cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I will tell them what I'm feeling forevermore. I don't care about the feelings, not anymore. So let's show them that love is pure, no matter who it's for. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco light. They can try but they can never take me down. Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid.
And this is everything I've got for you guys in this video. Thank you so much for making it all the way through. If you did, please like and subscribe and share this video so we can continue to grow this channel together. And we will see you in the next video. Bye.
Love.